This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy. We'll begin by gathering your essential ingredients, focusing on those flavorful pan drippings. Next, we'll create a foundational roux, a simple mixture of fat and flour that gives gravy its body. Then, I'll guide you through incorporating liquids smoothly, ensuring a lump-free texture. Finally, we'll perfect the seasoning, making your homemade gravy absolutely delicious and ready to enjoy. The roux is the secret to a rich, thick gravy. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of fat, like butter or drippings, in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want it to turn a light golden brown, which cooks out the raw flour taste and builds a deep, nutty flavor for your gravy. Now, let's achieve that silky smooth texture. Gradually pour in 2 cups of hot liquid, such as chicken or beef broth, while continuously whisking. This constant motion is crucial to prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 5 minutes. As it simmers, the gravy will thicken beautifully, creating a luscious consistency perfect for any meal. With your gravy thickened, it's time for the final touches. Taste it and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra layer of flavor, consider stirring in a tablespoon of fresh, chopped herbs like parsley or sage. Serve your warm, homemade gravy generously over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or biscuits. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.